Hello, Shamanettes. It's Suzanne, the Beauty Shaman. So today we're going to talk about mascara and why is mascara so toxic? What do we need to know about that? And what is it about clean mascaras that makes them different? And we're actually going to talk about 3 different brands that I have used, all 3 of them, interchangeably. So, and explain to you what the difference is, what each one brings to the table, and just what you need to know about mascaras. It's actually quite the topic because there's so many different mascaras out there. It's crazy land, right, with mascaras. And some of you are so dialed into mascara and so into mascara. So that's why I thought today we would touch on this subject of what does it mean to use a clean beauty, why you would do it, and what are the ingredients that are so bad. Okay, so before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com, and don't forget to hit subscribe here on YouTube so that I can continue to make great content for you. All right, let's get going. All right, so what makes mascara so toxic? Mascaras are actually really, really toxic and really bad for you. So having said that, most of us wear them. So what is it that makes them toxic? What do we need to know? All right, so the first thing is most mascaras contain formaldehyde. Kind of interesting. I've always looked at people who never age and think, do they soak in formaldehyde? In truth, most mascaras do contain formaldehyde, which is a toxic substance, right? It is a preservative and it's a known carcinogen. We know this is bad and we still use it. Even if this ingredient is absent, there are other chemicals that companies can put into mascara that do basically the same thing. Things like bronopol and quaternium 15, I think I pronounced that correctly, which work together to form a formaldehyde-releasing preservative. So basically what these do is they are preservatives. In order to keep that mascara on your lashes all day, that's what they use. And that's one of the reasons why it's really hard for clean beauty mascaras to be any good, because they can't use any of these toxic ingredients and therefore their mascaras don't tend to hold up. I don't know if you've noticed this. I've tried a lot of different clean beauty mascaras, not been too impressed. However, I have found what I'm really impressed with. So stay tuned. We're going to talk about which one that is. There are many other dangerous chemicals found in mascaras, things like parabens, phthalates, petroleum products, and dioxane. All of those rate very high on the toxicity rating. Check out EWG, which is the Environmental Working Group, ewg.org, in order to look up these ingredients. And you can see where they fall on the spectrum of toxicity. I believe the scale is 1 to 7. I would do this for anything that you're using on your skin just to see where this falls. These chemicals function as antifungals and preservatives, and it's the base that helps them stay on your eyes. However, they have a legitimate toxic fallout. All right, so what clean beauty mascaras do I recommend? So recently, Jane Iredale sent me their new mascara, which I tried, and this is Beyond Lash Volumizing Mascara. It retails for $28. It is weightless, buildable, resists clumping, no toxic chemicals, tested for sensitivity, lots of great things in here. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I was extremely skeptical. And when I received it, I actually didn't even try it right away because I really, really, really wanted to like it, right? And I tend to really, 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 really want to like things, okay? Especially when companies send them to me. I'm like, please let me like it. I finally tried this and I was actually really surprised. This is actually my favorite clean beauty mascara that I have tried thus far. It stays on. It definitely helps to curl your lashes a little bit. It's got that kind of thing going on. It's a lovely, very dense black color. I like the wand. It's an hourglass shape. I don't know if you can see it here. I'll hold it up. It's got a little hourglass shape to that, which definitely helps your lashes to curl a little bit or to be able to get that mascara in between every single lash. I really love that. And it's non-toxic. It doesn't contain any of the toxic ingredients that I mentioned earlier. So I love this. I'm very excited about this. It comes in black. I do now sell this on my website because I've been so pleased with it that I put it on my website. So do check that out. But I'm very excited about this. I think you'll really like it. All right, so we're going to walk down the toxicity rating one step here, and we're going to talk about City Beauty. So I've done a couple of reviews for City Beauty. I think it's a good mid-range kind of a product that tends to be good quality. So one of the things I liked about the Beyond Mascara, so they don't use any parabens. They don't test on animals. We have a money-back guarantee. It makes long, thick lashes. Okay, those are their selling points. But I like the fact, okay, it's not completely clean, but it does do some good things. So this is sort of like a midway. I do really like this mascara. I like the wand. Okay, just talking about wands. This is more of a straightforward wand, but it does hold up really well. It's, like I say, it's buildable. I've been really pleased with this. I've used it in a few videos. This retails for $35, so it's a little bit more expensive than the Jane Iredale. But again, we are going for like not the complete 100% clean beauty range, something in between. Really like it. I think it's a great mascara. All right, so the third mascara is actually a sample because I don't own this, but it's Le Volume by Chanel. So this is a tester. I used to buy Le Volume. I worked for Chanel for a very short period of time at one point in my life and absolutely fell in love with all of their stuff. That's before I really started researching ingredients and toxicities. Having said that, as far as a mascara goes that doesn't fall in the clean beauty heading at all, right, I would say this is my favorite. It is $32 a pop for this, and you know, I mean, on all of them, none of them are super cheap, right? I'm not exactly explaining cheap mascaras. However, I would say this mascara really is fabulous. It's very buildable. You will notice an immediate difference. It really gets your lashes out there. It gives instant volume to your lashes. When I used this, I was blown away. I felt like my lashes were just like, wow. Having said that, this is not a clean beauty product. So I've given you 3 different mascaras that are all really good, all with different selling points and bonus points. I would say if you're really into clean beauty and you want to stick with clean beauty, I would say, man, go for the Jane Iredale one. It's fantastic. If you're not as interested in clean beauty, want something really good that's more, doesn't test on animals. For some of you, this is a huge subject and I'm totally with you on that. I would say, you know, the Beyond Mascara is fabulous. Give that a go. If you don't care about any of that and you just want a really great mascara, I would say go for the Le Volume by Chanel. Absolutely love this product. It's so funny holding up a little sample. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Please write down any questions or thoughts you have below. I always love to hear from you. I always love engaging with you. I also want to make great content for you, so let me know if there's anything particular you'd like to see. In any case, I hope this little blurb on mascaras has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman and have an awesome day.